Somebody has dropped a frontier AI model onto the internet and refused to put their name on it. It's called Ox Alpha. It turned up on OpenRouter last Thursday, and in the box where the company name is supposed to go, it just says Stealth. A million token context window. It reads text, images, and video, and it costs nothing to use. In the 3 days since, developers have shoved more than 3 trillion tokens through it, which is somewhere around 500 English Wikipedias, and we still have no idea who built the thing. The context window is 1,048,000 tokens, and that's the real figure rather than a rounded-up marketing million. Max output is 131,000 tokens, so it writes you the whole file instead of stopping 2/3 of the way down and leaving you a comment that says, "Rest of implementation goes here." It does tool calling. It'll hand you JSON, although it won't enforce your schema, so keep your validator. And it takes video going in, which almost nothing else at this level will do. But the bit that made everyone lose their minds is the price. You pay nothing on the way in, nothing on the way out, and nothing on cached reads either. And then the open code team put a number on what's sitting behind it. 100 trillion tokens a day of capacity, free for about a week. Hermes agent got through 3.5 trillion tokens. Turns out, if you give developers a frontier coding model with no rate limit and no invoice attached, they will find out precisely what it does. The provider keeps your prompts and your completions. OpenRouter says they're not used for training, which is better than most stealth drops manage, but "we won't train on it" and "we won't keep it" are two different promises, and only one of them is being made here. The specs are only half of why people are talking about it. The other half is that nobody knows who built it, and the internet is spectacularly bad at leaving a mystery alone. The frontrunner is z.ai. Somebody ran the tokenizer against GLM 5.3, and the raw token counts came back nearly identical, off by nothing but a wrapper, which does track because z.ai has pulled this exact move before. They tested GLM5 anonymously under a different name. Second guess is Quen, because some of the broken token errors it throws match things people have logged in the Quen family. Third is Xiaomi's MIMO team, who ran a stealth model on OpenRouter called Hunter Alpha before they announced anything at all. And then the whole thing falls apart because a completely separate analysis of the same tokenizer came back pointing at Microsoft. So 3 days of collective internet detective work has narrowed our suspect list down to either China or Washington State. Tremendous work, everyone. Great deal for whoever built it. Also a great deal for you because it costs nothing. So go and use it this week while it's still free. If you learned something new today, give us a like and subscribe. It really means a lot.